In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload product listing on Excel. We'll start by getting the right template from your selling platform. Open Microsoft Excel, then head to your platform Seller Center or Admin. This could be your marketplace dashboard or your e-commerce backend. Look for the bulk upload or import products option. There, you'll find a downloadable Excel or CSV template. Always use the template provided by your platform because each one expects specific column names, formats, and sometimes even preset categories or variation structures. Open the template in Excel and fill out the required fields carefully. You'll typically see columns for product name, description, category, price, stock quantity, SKU, and image URL. The SKU should be a unique identifier for each product or variant. Do not rename or reorder the columns and follow all format rules your platform lists, especially for categories and variations. If the template includes dropdowns or sample values, stick to them to avoid validation errors later. Next, prepare your product images. Upload your images to a reliable online storage location and generate public links. These must be accessible without a login. Copy those public image URLs into the image URL column in your template. If multiple images are allowed, follow the platform's exact formatting instructions in the template, such as separating links with a specific character. Test a link in a browser to confirm it opens. If your products have variations, like sizes or colors, use the variation-related columns exactly as labeled in the template. You'll typically enter a variation name, such as size or color, a variation value such as medium or blue, and separate pricing or stock if required. Keep naming consistent across all related rows so the system can group them correctly under a single parent product. When you're done, save the file in the format your platform requests. CSV is the most common, but some accept XLSX. If you're exporting to CSV, choose UTF-8 encoding to preserve special characters and prevent garbled text. Return to your Seller Center, open the Upload or Import Products section, and submit your Excel or CSV file. After uploading, the system will validate your data, review any error messages for missing fields or invalid formats, and download the error report if one is provided. Make corrections directly in your file and re-upload until the validation passes. Once everything is validated, approve or publish your listings. Your products will then go live on your store, complete with the details, images, and variations you entered.